Warning! Warning! Do not adjust your set. What if just by sitting there and watching this program, you could wave goodbye to fat forever?
I waved goodbye to 20 pounds and a whole lot of back fat.
I could finally wave goodbye to 25 pounds and that chubby guy.
I'm waving goodbye to my old self, and here's the new me.
If you want to wave goodbye to fat, then welcome aboard. Hi, I'm Denise Austin, and usually on a cruise like this, people gain 10 pounds or more. But today, we're replacing all the chairs on this ship with ab waves, and I'm inviting you on a trip that can help you lose weight and keep it off for good. So stay tuned as we set sail on a voyage that can transform your life. Get ready to discover the ab wave. Full speed ahead.
Introducing the Ab Wave system. You just sit and wave to get fit, flat, washboard abs like this. In fact, with the Ab Wave system, we guarantee you'll lose 2 inches in just 2 weeks or your money back. Best of all, it's fun and easy and takes just minutes a day. Wave goodbye to stressful crunches that strain your neck and there's no cardio. Wave goodbye to bulky machines that give you cardio but ignore your abs. The Ab Wave eliminates every obstacle that kept you from getting in shape. The secret is, the Ab Wave combines abs and cardio at the same time in a comfortable seated position, while its unique fast-track technology uses the fun swinging momentum of gravity to target your upper, middle, lower abs and obliques, all in one fat-burning, fun, wave-like motion, firing your core like never before. And check this out. Just release the knob and twist to blast away those obliques. In fact, these studies show the Ab Wave burns more calories than a treadmill and is more effective than crunches and leg raises. You'll firm and flatten your abs in weeks, not months.